Is your Google Gemini not creating images? What we can do is go through a couple of things to hopefully help in that situation so that you can just start using it. So let's go into our Gemini app. And what we're going to do is we're going to close this down. So we're just going to swipe up slowly and close down that app, basically resetting the app. So let's go ahead and open up the app again. If it's still not working from this point, we can go ahead and try signing out and signing back into your account. So go to the two lines or the two bars at the top left-hand corner. And we're going to go ahead and click the gear icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, you can just sign out of your account and then sign back in and see if that works. The last thing we can do is actually coming out of here and force updating the app. So we can close this down. Let's make our way to our settings here. And from our settings, I'm all the way back here. You want to go down to General, and then you want to go down to iPhone Storage. And then let's go ahead and type in Gemini, just to make it easy on ourselves, and go ahead and offload the app. Offloading the app is going to get rid of old documents and cache, and it's going to allow you to reinstall the app. So when you reinstall the app, it's going to give you the newest features that it possibly can have or that are currently available, and you'll be able to have the new features. So from that point forward, you should be able to use Gemini like you normally would. So we can back out of here, and I'll X out of all these settings here, and we can go find the Gemini app. And let's just go ahead and try and create an image. So give me a picture of a white dog wearing a yellow raincoat and see if that works. And there it is. It's very simple to do. It's very easy. And those couple things should help you on fixing your Gemini not creating